So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. I have no idea what's wrong with it, and I've never tried before until today. We're going to apply the troubleshooting process to show you that it in fact works. So what's the troubleshooting process? It's pretty much asking yourself some pretty basic questions in order to figure out what is wrong with your device. Have I dropped this device? The answer is no. Have I dropped it in water? The answer is no. So if I haven't dropped the device and I haven't dropped it in water, then it can't be an LCD issue. We could also eliminate the probability of it being a connection issue. So if it's not a bad connection, the LCD is not broken, and I have not dropped it in water, then what could it be? Maybe it's a bad charger or a bad back piece. You do want to swap out both of those to make sure that you're using one that you know for sure works. So if it's not a bad back piece and it's not a bad charger, what else could it be? Bad charging port. The port may be damaged. Maybe you jammed it in the wrong way by accident one time. At some point, the little pins in there pretty much got shifted out of place. You may need a charging port replacement. Let's say you know for a fact it's not a charging port replacement you need. Anyways, we're going to try hooking this device up to power to see what happens. This is a continuation of the troubleshooting process. Let's see. Alright, so it did vibrate, but nothing is showing up on the screen. It vibrated again, and there you go. That is the charging logo. So we know the device does work and the LCD is not broken. It does not have a bad connection. It is currently at 0%. So we're going to let it sit here for a little bit and see what happens. So this is how you're going to determine whether or not it's a battery issue. We currently charged up our device to about 3%. Now we're going to disconnect the cable and attempt to power it on. Notice what it said there. It literally said 0% connect to charger when we literally just charged it up to 3%. That's already a bad sign that it might be a battery issue. Now we're going to hook it up to power and then attempt to turn it on to see what happens. Alright. Vibrated. Shows the battery logo. And 4%. So it's pretty funny that it's showing that you have to hook it up to power when it literally says 4% right now. Kind of strange. So we're going to disconnect it again and try one more time. Power on. Vibrate. Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Let's see what happens. Vibrates again. And shows you got to hook it up to power, 0%. That's definitely a battery issue, where we're going to continue to make sure. Hook it up to power one more time, but this time we're going to leave the cord there. Hit the power button. Until the device powers on, 4%. Vibrate, Samsung Galaxy Note 4 powered by Android. Funny, I'm pretty sure it was trying to update itself but couldn't figure out how to, so we're gonna turn it on again and see what happens. Power on, Samsung Galaxy Note 4. That's the last time I'm saying this, I promise. So the device does boot up at least all the way before it turns off and restarts again. That does indeed mean that's a battery issue. You do have to buy a new battery, replace a battery. Let me know what kind of phone you're having this issue with down below, and I guarantee you I'll help you figure out this issue. Anyways guys, it's been GD here from Get Fixed. I really do appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I'm out. Peace.